What is up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. Sorry I have not made a video in a hot minute, and I'm sorry for the wind noise if it is kind of bad. Today is Father's Day, so I am dressed up. Just got back from church, getting ready to go out to eat with Dad. But this weekend we had our Tampico Grassy Fork Volunteer Fire Department tractor and truck pulls, and let me tell you, was it a mess out there. We had storms come through Friday night and just dumped rain on us. Saturday we had rain till about noon, on and off. The rest of the day was nice, but man was it wet, and this is what the 98 looks like. So after I washed it at work Thursday just to kind of get it cleaned up, we had her locked her into full-wheel drive, and yeah, she's a little dirty. We got mud everywhere. I mean, there were ruts probably a foot deep out there. It was insane. So now we got to clean this thing, but we also have another surprise for you guys. Shaylin and I, my girlfriend right there, we have actually been working on a new place. We'll probably end up showing you guys like the inside. I know she's been taking a lot of before and after pictures, so I'll probably have her send those to me, end up posting those in the video at some point. I don't know if it'll be this video or a next video, but this one's probably just going to be kind of like a random type vlog, so they'll more than likely be probably in the end of this one. We're probably going to go over there and work on it a little bit today. We have painting and stuff we have to get done yet. Going out to eat with Dad right now for Father's Day, so probably spend a little bit of time with him, probably go see Shaylin's dad, and then yeah, so we're going to get this thing cleaned up. Obviously you can tell it's a little dirty. Did have the windows down when we first got stuck, or not really stuck, just trying to get out because of the really deep ruts. I mean, it's everywhere. So we're gonna run this through the car wash, get it cleaned up as best as we can, and then I'll probably finish washing it here at the house because I know I'm gonna have to spray up like underneath the bed and stuff. But yeah, so we're gonna go eat, and I'll see you guys in a minute. So guys, we are back. We are currently at Shaylin and I, my girlfriend, our new house. I kind of just going to bring you guys along because you guys are a big part of my life and her life. The YouTube thing is kind of starting to take off for us. So figured might as well show you guys. Like I said, it's going to kind of be all over the place here. So obviously the main entrance to the house is right behind me. We have a closet here, and this is the living room. Like I said, I'll be throwing in a lot of before and after pictures. She's currently getting ready to paint the refrigerator just because the stove over there is black. So we're going to paint the fridge black. But we did all new floor in here. We're doing all new trim. As you can tell, I got to replace that one yet. But all the way around, this was wood paneling. So actually the next room over has the wood paneling in it. So you kind of be able to see what it looks like before and after. Took all the countertops off, painted or the countertops, the cabinets, painted those, painted everything in here, got all nice wood. So this was the wood paneling. We did like a gray blue kind of color in here. It's gray, but with it being real dark in the hallway here, it kind of gives it like a bluish tint. But obviously the washer and dryer room, got a closet. And then here's the wood paneling that was all over the house. It's like that 1970s, 1980s wood paneling. So it had to go. But this will probably be the new editing room and like gaming room for me. Just because we do have her printer, the Cricut that I make a lot of my decals with. So what I'm thinking on this wall here is I'll do a filing cabinet in that corner and a filing cabinet here, and then just lay a countertop across. Have my laptop and monitor in the corner, TV over here, so I'll be able to edit and stuff. And then we'll probably have like a small futon couch back here, and then be able to, in this closet, build some shelves and put the Cricut and different stuff like that on there. I might actually run the countertop like in like an L shape, so then we can put the Cricut over there in the corner so it's easier to print stuff. But when you come out of here, we have the bathroom. Pretty nice, big, plenty of counter space, had 3 mirrors. We're getting ready to paint in here. Toilets behind the door, shower and stuff. And then here, this room was really awkward. It didn't really make sense, but it was just super long, and it's about 7.5 feet wide. So by the time you throw a couch and like a table and a TV in here, there would have been no room to walk. So we decided to rip out part of the wall here. It goes into the master bedroom now, which you typically would have walked through there. We're gonna wall this entrance up, that old door. And we're actually gonna be building a wall through here as we already started. This is gonna be the new, the new door for the master bedroom. It'll swing towards that wall, be able to put like our dresser underneath of that window, and then the big dresser can fill in that space. And then we'll have this giant opening to go into the new master bedroom. So, like I said, I want to bring you guys along because you guys are a big part of our life and stuff. I haven't been able to film a lot lately just because of this project. We have put, I mean, long hours in here. There was a couple nights last week we spent 3-4 o'clock in the morning here just trying to paint, stain. We got a guy coming to clean or shampoo the carpet for us in here. So we're just trying to get everything done before they come in. I know she's busted her butt. Shout out to her dad for coming, helping with the kitchen floor, my dad, and Jared for basically ripping out that wall back here Saturday. So it's one of those big steps that it'd be kind of nice to get this project done, because then we're going to be doing drywall up here, drywall there, and then fixing obviously the drywall on the other side. Then this will be walled off, and we'll have my dresser here and then a dresser there, just to kind of open up the master bedroom. Because if you imagine, if I'm standing where the wall was, this ain't very big. You're basically going to be able to throw your bed in here and that's it. So I figured we might as well open it up a little bit. Now I'm excited to get this room done. Like I said, this is going to be the editing room. I might change up my mind a little bit by the time we get stuff in here. But anyway, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started on this. We're probably going to run to town here soon. I still need to wash the truck, but it's supposed to rain here shortly. It's starting to get, I don't know if you guys will be able to see out there with the vent. It's starting to get like kind of cloudy and overcasty look. So if it rains and washes some of the mud off, great. I'll just finish washing it at work. But yeah, we're going to continue on, guys, and once she gets that fridge painted, I'll probably bring you back to show you what it looks like. So guys, just going to give you a quick update here. Shaylin got the fridge painted black. We took off the handles and actually spray painted them. I think that's the only thing we did in the kitchen other than trim up around here, obviously, and then all the way down. And we also got over there, my buddy JD did show up. He's got that power stroke we did the rear end on. He and I got the trim all the way up along the top there. We had to pop this piece off and trim back a little bit to fit the corner trim. So that's on, and then all the way around the top here. And then if we go all the way back to the bathroom here, Shaylin actually started painting. Got the nice gray going on. I don't know how well it's going to show up on camera, but that's like the before, like wallpaper type stuff. And then that's the gray. I believe that's only 1 coat, maybe 2 coats. But obviously it's got to dry. But no, I think it's going to look good. Got to go all the way around yet. So it's, like I said, it's a fixer-upper. It's our first house we're moving into. So it's going to be kind of a project and stuff. Obviously, you can tell on here. We're hoping to get this walled up, hopefully before the carpet guys come Wednesday. We're having basically the whole hallway and then down in the living room shampooed, and then we'll be replacing this carpet and that carpet in there, obviously once we get the wall done, because there won't be, we don't want like a seam through there, so it'll be one giant carpet through there. But yeah, everything's coming together really great. Just want to kind of give you guys a just quick update on why I haven't been posting almost every other day. This is why we have literally spent, like I said, countless days and hours up here. So just trying to get everything finished. Thanks for JD for coming over today. Shaylin, obviously. she's gonna be moving in here, so I guess she does have to put in the work. But yeah, everything, we gotta build a TV stand yet. JD's gonna be building us like an entryway table here, and then Traylin's gonna design like what she wants to do with the walls and stuff, but that's totally up to her. But anyway guys, I'm gonna go probably just clean the truck up tomorrow at work. So I'm guessing this video will probably roll into tomorrow, so I guess I'll just see you then. What is up guys? So it currently is the next day. I am at work getting ready to pull this thing in and get it cleaned. It's pretty much dry. I thought we were gonna get rain overnight, but we didn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this thing off and get it nice and clean again. It's probably gonna take me a little while, but we'll get it. Yeah, so I figured I'd bring the camera along, show you guys exactly how much will be mud. I guess it's dirt now since it's dry, but will be mud coming off of it. So I guess we'll see.
What do you think, bud?
It's dirty. Really dirty. It'll take me 4 hours to get it clean. Like I said guys, this video is going to be all over the place. The 98 is clean, besides the back here we still have some mud. But I was having some driver door speaker issues. These wires here, they were just kind of getting loose and jiggly and stuff. So I pulled them off, made sure everything before I soldered them would work. As you can tell, my soldering skills aren't the greatest, just enough to hold them. But yeah, I wish I had the camera rolling because the soldering gun fell right on that finger and right on that finger. Like I went to go swap pans and that metal piece right there that got nice and warm literally just landed. So I said a few choice words that probably wouldn't have been YouTube appropriate, but yeah, that hurt like a son of a gun. So we got those wired on. I'm gonna wrap some electrical tape around those just to make sure they stay and hold. And then I did order new window switches, or switch, and meter adjustment switches, because these ones here, it's very temperamental on if it works or not. Like the other day when we had storms coming through, which would have been Friday evening, we got back from the tractor pulls before all this rain, got my truck super dirty. But yes, this window switch decided it wanted to act up, and the driver's window was down. So I went ahead and ordered new ones. Along with the meter adjustment, because this meter adjustment switch hasn't worked since, well, I think I've had the truck, and that's been about 5 or 6 years now. So hopefully those will be good to go. Like I said, I'm gonna wrap some electrical tape around that, and my finger's kind of throbbing. I mean, you can hopefully see if it'll, yeah, there, and then right there it's bright red. But anyway, good thing the camera wasn't rolling like I said. It'd been kind of funny to see it, but oh well. Probably give this thing a quick rinse down again just because we ran it through the car wash and it's still muddy and stuff. But it's way better than what it was. There's still some dirt and stuff in there, but this will be coming off soon. We have a lot of parts up there, including new rockers, new cab corners. We have a whole new bed, airbags. I want to get a lot of stuff done on this truck because what I'm talking about is big's right up in there in those couple boxes. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this door thrown back on, or door panel I should say, thrown back on. I think I need a new clip in one of them, like down here towards the bottom somewhere. Super easy to take these things off, so I might shoot this black real quick since that side over there is black. You probably can't even tell. But yeah, this video's all over the place. I'm sorry, I apologize. But yeah, I'm gonna get this tossed back together, get some paint probably thrown on that real quick, and I'll see you guys shortly. All put back together. Sorry again guys, I do apologize for not posting in a while, but with the new house and stuff and just trying to get stuff taken care of there, it's been kind of hectic. And sorry again that this video is probably all over the place. But anyway, thank you for stopping in. I think we're at like 6,050 something subscribers, so please share. Let's get the channel growing. Like I said, we have some big stuff coming for the 98. I'm just trying to get everything in line, and like I said, with the new house, it's been kind of crazy. We're looking at new rear bumper, looking at a new front bumper, obviously the bed and all that stuff's going to be going on very soon. So please just smash that subscribe button, tell everybody to come sub to the channel. Remember, learning as I do, doing I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.